Welcome everyone. Our today's topic is CSV file. What is CSV file and how it looks like? How to open a CSV file. How to import CSV file into Excel. How to save as a Excel file. How to save back from Excel to CSV. CSV means comma separated values. Each line hold a record and values are separated by comma. File name extension is .csv. We can use different text editor software to open CSV file. Most popular text editor is Notepad++. To open a CSV file, go to the file directory, then right-click on the file and then select Open With and then select Notepad. You can use the same way to open any file.
File into Excel. First I need to do that I have to open the Excel application. Then for me blank is okay. I have to click on data, then from I have to click from text, then select the file location Excel tutorial. This is my CSV file, then I select it, then I have to click to import the data from CSV to Excel. I have to click import. Then yes, this is like delimited character and I have a header, for example billing document, billing item, those are the headers of this file. Then I click on next. Then the values are separated by commas, that's why I'm selecting comma. It is showing fine. Then click on next and just finish. Okay, this now my data CSV data is showing as a tabular format. So to save the data as XML file for further analysis, then I have to click file, then save as, then browse. I'm selecting Excel workbook and book 1. It is also okay, then save it. In the top you will see that my current file name is book1.xls file. So this is an Excel file, so I can do the further analysis and further calculation on this file. And if I want to save this file again as a CSV, then I have to go file, save as, and from browse I have to select this comma delimited, this option, and just save it. Yes, then that's all. Thank you.